Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the LED solar spotlights. They are really nice in my gun. At the back side on the left you can see them. It are spotlights which will spot any object at the night. Awesome. Really beautiful. It is a super additional solar powered LED spot for my garden. These are the Wildtrop LED garden lights in warm white color. The spotlight comes in warm white. This is a chill out color. You can buy as 2-piece or 4-piece version. It is a third version of it, and they're super bright. Their looks really cool because they make a nice and good shining at all areas out there. Because they are solar powered, that means you do not have to get a power supply by wire to that. Only push it into the ground, for example, and then let it there. Of course, you have to look that the solar panel is look to the sun, and if the sun will get there for 6 up to 8 hours, then it will go on automatically at night. Of course, at the first time of use, you have to push only one time you have to push the button on the back side of the solar spotlight, and then it will go automatically on and off. It will go automatically on at night and go off at day. That means you have a wonderful spot from dusk till dawn. First step is, of course, we charge the solar product by placing it under direct sunshine for at least 8 hours before using it for the first time. We press down the on and off button once, and the light will be turned on at low level, okay? Dimmer. We push the button again, then the light will go at the high level. This is the brighter level. And if we're going to push a third time, the light will be turned off. You can choose by yourself. Of course, in high level, it will not give you a long time of solar or of light of it, of course. That means if you are going to the high level, it comes to 3 up to 4 hours. If you go into low level, it will be 8 or 6 hours, 6 up to 8 hours, okay? The illumination time after full charge is 3 to 4 hours in high mode, 6 to 8 hours in low mode. We install the solar product in the area where it can get direct sunlight. For longer illumination time, we should press the on-off switch till the light stays at the low level. We select an outdoor location away from other light sources at night, such as street lights. Other lights may cause the product to not turn on automatically at night because it's not dark enough. Duration of the light depends on the solar product's level of sunshine, exposure, geographical location, weather conditions, and the hours of daylight. And we keep the solar panel clean. This product is waterproof for outside use, no prop for it. But if there is a big halo of dirt over your solar panels, there will come no energy through them. So you have to clean them month by month or have a look there. If the solar product does not light up after it has been used for around 1.5 years, we have to replace the rechargeable battery, and this works because inside is a battery with a 3.7 volt 2200 milliampere hour lithium battery, or you can replace them if you like with the equivalent type of a recommended battery size. That's easy because it's better to replace that after years, of course. After years you only have to do that. and then buy another new one. It's better for our nature, I think so. The exercise caution: when placing the batteries, we open the battery cover to replace the old battery with a new one. The battery must be recycled or disposed of properly. We don't dispose the batteries in fire to trash, okay? And then you have here, but this is only after years. But here you have a lot of years, so much fun with that LED solar spotlights by Victop. You can see it looks really cool. Spotlight, spot on for my garden. Oh, nice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.